Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I like to share with you an unboxing from a new company. This is Green Stuff World. Here's the website. This is a great hobby stuff for miniature paintings and modeling. It covers all your needs. They are based in Spain, so if you are from Europe, then you can order from them and there will be no additional costs like taxes and associated with them. So I did order a few things from them, and now let's do the unboxing. So they will give you a nice sticker, so thanks for that. A bunch of peanuts. So I got a few colors. This is their effect for blood, like blood from for the blood god from Citadel Games Workshop. It's a brush cleaner. Looks like something like soap. Then I want to try the decal fix. A few other colors. This is the shiny gold and Gladius bronze. I bought a little pieces of hearts for another project. Few flowers, tufts. Looks really nice. CA glue activator. This is to set your glue. I bought a pack of these small synthetic brushes. Also I wanted to try their CA glue, the gel formula, and basically the gel formula is better to if you want to work a little bit more on your part. And also I bought their 03.03 paintbrush. And I also the magnetic sheet for your bases if you want to magnetize them and then put them to store and so on. Okay, so this is everything inside the box. Okay, so let's see the colors I got. So this Gladius bronze, and I got another gold for my collections so far. If you are looking for a nice gold, then I can strongly suggest few colors that are out there. So let me bring them up. So my first recommendation is the Retributor Armor from Citadel or Games Workshop. Then if you're using airbrush, then the Glorious Gold, that is 72.756 Vallejo Air. Then of course Metal Alchemy, Elven Gold, SC74, and then the pair which is the old gold, just a standard model color from Vallejo. Here are the numbers, and the gold. So the old gold and the gold. So these 4 and 5 here are probably my favorite golds to use on my models. So now I'm looking forward to see everything right here, check them out. And also I forgot to show you, I don't know why this is separately packaged, but this is the new chrome metal. So the chrome metal should be looking like silver, or more like yeah, like liquid silver. It should be really nicely vibrant. Yeah, I'm not used, so looking forward to do some effects with this one. Okay, so these are just a quick unboxing from Green Stuff World. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes it's other stuff like regarding my other hobbies. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.